Hey guys, it's Max from Everything Max here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Airbus A380. So you need stuff to color with. You don't need a ruler. I'm forgetting that. I don't need a ruler. You need to use an eraser, and you need a pencil, and you need your paper horizontal. So draw a line like this, straight, and then curve it down, and then put the back on like that, and then draw the windows. Before I show off all my awesome art, I'm gonna draw this. Because every time I make a video, I show off my awesome art. Some of it, and let's draw the windows. Oh yeah, and you need a pen to color the windows in. Okay, and then draw another door, and then more windows. Color those in. I found a crazy airplane on Google, but I'm not gonna draw it because it's just too hard. It's so crazy. And then more. This is a really, really big airplane. Could it be parts? Part 1 and part 2? So, I'm drawing the windows on the door. By the way, I hope you are following along, because that would be really nice. So you need a red, and then make the tags on the door, because there's tags on the outside and inside of the A380 on the upper deck. So it should turn out like this. And see you next time for the lower deck on my part 2 of how to draw an Airbus A380.